How to remove Gmail account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove your Gmail account from other devices, open up the Gmail app. Tap on the Gmail profile from the top right hand side, then make sure this is the correct Gmail account, then go to the option called Manage Your Google Account. Once you go to Manage Your Google Account, over here from the Navigation tab, just select Security option. From the security option, simply scroll down a bit further below until you see the Your Devices toggle. Then tap on the Manage All Devices button that you can find here. Over here you will be able to see a list of devices logged into your Gmail account. So all you have to do is simply select a certain device here. Then all you have to do is just tap on the Sign Out button to remove that device. This way you can remove your Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.